good. And Russ,
Good.
thanks for dropping this off.
No problem. Just wanted to show you how the Washcube works. Very simple design, aluminum construction, so you can leave it out in the weather.
Okay.
The foot pedal there activates the water to wash your hands.
Okay.
Just place your hands right in there, wash them. Here's your soap, motion activated. And on the other side here is your paper towel dispenser. And your trash, you just throw right in that bin there. So Ryan, another option we have here is the wheel kit.
Okay.
That way you can spin it around easily, move it around when you're on a concrete surface.
Okay.
There's no bolts or anything holding it together, so you can easily pop that off and move it around if necessary. So here I'm connecting a garden hose to the Washcube 400. We have an optional kit, so you can connect a garden hose to any one of these cubes, and what that allows is to have constant water connected to your Washcube, so you don't have to keep topping up your 5-gallon bucket of clean water. So the bottom bucket is your clean water,
Okay.
5 gallons, and the top one here is your gray water, and then in front of it is your trash bin for your paper towels. You can get about 200 washes out of a full bucket of clean water there. The thing you want to always watch is when your gray water is about 70% full.
Okay, so is that about to this level here?
Yep, exactly. Dump that out, you can, and then keep your clean water topped up.
Yeah, okay, Russ, so obviously my hands are pretty dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and see how it works.
Yeah, go ahead and try it out.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Absolutely, we've got them in stock, ready to ship.